In this video, I'll detail how to turn off voice control on your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone X Max, and iPhone XR, or any iPhone that runs on latest iOS 17.6 or iOS 18, then this is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily turn off your voice control. Literally, to know that your voice control is active or you already set off voice control on your iPhone. On your iPhone X, you should see this microphone icon here. So once you see the blue microphone icon just after the time, then that shows you already have the voice control turned on. Now to turn it off, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now once you selected accessibility, scroll down, locate voice control. Let's click on that. Then once you tap that, there you see voice control. Then go ahead and disable this to turn off your voice control. You see that the voice control is turned off. So if you say to turn off voice control, this can just turn off your voice control without touching it. But literally, to turn off voice control, just tap this, and that's going to disable voice control on your iPhone. So that's how to turn off voice control on any iPhone and any iOS from iOS 16 to iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.